Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day. I'm back, guys, on behalf of Press One Cash. Real quick, just want to say you're here, guys, probably because you landed on my page because you're searching right now online and you found my channel because this is an affiliate marketing channel. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer and I show you ways to make money online, different home-based business opportunities. I show you also systems and tools you can use to promote these business opportunities that I share with you, okay? So make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button right now. You go ahead and click the notification bell right now so that you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? Alright guys, Press One Cash, I'm back. Okay, I came earlier to show you guys a few days ago or a day ago about the opportunity. So I'm back to show you some results where I actually ran a solo ad, okay? I'm going to show you some results from that. And I want to show you real quick, it only takes maybe 2 minutes to set this thing up, okay? So I'm going to show you the back office of that as well, okay? Hang on one second, let's go over to the back office of Press One Cash. Okay, I'm in my back office, okay, I'm in the dashboard. And as you can see right here, it states, thank you for paying your sponsor, you're now a confirmed member, okay? And it tells you in order to get fully qualified, you need to bring in a paying member. Because with the Press One Cash, it's a one-up comp plan, okay? This is a great marketing tool, okay, that you can use to promote any business, okay? Someone's going to call, your prospects are going to call your pre-assigned SMS number. When they call your number and they listen to the recording, they will press 1 to get more information, which at that point will text your website to your prospects, okay? And you definitely want to give them, put your link in there. And you can also promote Press One Cash if you choose to do that. If you want to use Press One Cash as the business opportunity, you can do that as well, okay? So I'm just going to show you real quick. So we're in the back office. As it states right here, they want you to go to the FAQ page so you can check that out and just read some of the information there. But you're going to fill out your profile right here. I'm not going to click it because there's information in there, but all it is your sponsor's name, and then you'll put your email and your contact phone number. That's all you're going to do there. And then the other thing you're going to do is fill out the way you want to receive your payment right here. Enter your payment details in this box. Okay? That's it. Let's come down. Okay, right here in this box, just specify the instructions of how you want to get paid. Whether you're going to put your PayPal link in there, whatever it is, put that information in there, guys. That's it. Right here, this box is all automatically going to default to the Press One Cash, your Press One Cash link, which is mine right here, the replicated website. It's going to be in here. Okay, so unless you change it, it's going to be there, and that's what people will get on their phone when they press 1, okay? All I've done is just bought a domain, but it's going to press 1, okay? And that's all. And then you start promoting, and you go over here to resources, guys. There's some ad copy. Shows you how to place some ads and get your ad out there and promote your phone number, okay? That's all you're going to do. That's your setup. You're done. Now you can start promoting, okay? Just that simple. I'm going to go down and I'm going to show you, I've received 2 more people that actually have registered. And I've spoken to a couple of people. I know it's the holiday, but a few people have really showed some interest and they're waiting till after the holiday or the first of the year to get started. But this thing is actually getting a lot of momentum with it. Okay, so let me scroll down, because what happens is when someone calls your number, you get a list of all those phone numbers. Okay, so let me show you how that looks. Okay, as you can see right here, I covered up all the phone numbers. It says calls received, so I know all the numbers that have called my number. And right here it says press 1, so you know which numbers hung up and which ones actually pressed 1. So actually as of 12/24, calls are still coming in. Okay, people are dialing this number because I've put ads out. I did a solo ad, and I'm going to show you some results from the solo ad, but I'm marketing this thing, okay? Ads are out there. And I am in promotion mode, okay? Even during the holidays, business don't stop. My business is open just like all the other retail stores, okay? We are in business. So I'm getting calls, emails, business goes on, okay? So right here, it shows you all these numbers that have come in. I've just covered them up. But even up through the Christmas day, people are calling. People are looking. Okay? So this definitely works. And how do you download these? You just click right here where it says download CSV, and you can download all these phone numbers, and you can upload them into a bulk texting platform. Okay, and for me, that is the SMS Lead Network. Okay, that's what I use. All right, so that just want to show you this is working even during the holidays. Okay, so that is Press 1 Cash, just that simple to set up. Now let me show you what the page looks like that I have. Hang on a second. Right, this is the replicated page that you will receive also, guys. This is the Press 1 Cash page that we have. Okay, it has your phone number on there. You can call the number and test it out so you can see how it works. Okay, and your information. What I did is to put my contact up here. Okay, but here is where everyone is going to go. When you go to your page, you're going to press the button here and listen to this video. The video explains how you get paid $200 just for sharing a phone number. Okay, and it also tells you what you get. Move this over. Right here, this is what you get. A phone number, 100 credits, your own website, a back office for tracking and training, a built-in one-up comp plan, your first sale goes up, and then you're qualified. After that, all your sales you keep, and you make $200 over and over and over, guys. You can't get any simpler than that. Someone dials your number, listen to it. The recorded message is already there. You don't have to record a message. It's uploaded automatically once you get this system. It's automatically automatically going to be set up for you. You don't need to do anything with it. It's set up and ready to go. And you make $200 over and over. Okay, so this is your website, no monthly fees. Everything on this page is here as far as video is concerned. Enough information for people to make a decision. And remember, this is a marketing tool that you can use to promote whatever your business is. Okay, if you don't have a business, you can use this, guys. This can be your business. You can just simply promote Press 1, okay, as a business, because you can make $200 every time you get a sale. So if you don't have a business, perfect. Now let me show you. I created this capture page and I ran a solo ad for it, just testing it just to see, and I actually got a great response. So I'm going to show you the page and I'm going to show you all the leads I got into it. Hang on a second. Okay, this is the page I created because Press 1 Cash doesn't have a capture page or anything like that. Okay, so I created this page in the Conversion Pros, okay, and I ran a solo ad to this page, just asking for the name and the email. And let me show you all the results I received from that. Okay, on page, the landing page, Press 1 Cash 2, okay, in the Conversion Pros. And what I'm going to show you below is all the opt-ins that came from that, because you'll see the name of the page, and I'm going to cover up the name of the people. So here we go. Okay, as you can see right here, okay, the way the Conversion Pros listed, it will show the landing page. That's the name I gave it. And you can see all these that go down here. And I'm going to show you the total in a second, but just want you to see how it looks in the back office of the Conversion Pros. It will, so this way I know, you name the page so you'll know when people opt in, which page they actually opt in. Okay, that's how I can track my marketing efforts. Okay, so let me show you here. Okay, as you can see right here, I received 42 entries from that page, guys. And the solo ad was just 100-click solo ad. So out of 100 clicks, I received 42 opt-ins. That's pretty amazing, okay? That's pretty amazing. So, and out of those, remember, I have 6 people that have registered to purchase. Okay, they've registered, they just haven't paid the admin. So not bad numbers at all. The odds, okay? The ROI is pretty great with that, okay? So this is definitely a tool you want to have in your arsenal going into 2019. Either you want to use it as a tool, for me, I'm using it as a tool and an additional income stream, okay, to show you how to make money with it. Or if you don't have a business at all, you don't have a primary business, you can use this, okay, to be your primary business. Of course, I have other opportunities I'm a part of, so this is going to be a great fit for what I'm doing. Okay, and Instant Cash Solution is definitely what you want to get started in with, in conjunction with this. Okay, so if you don't have a business, I highly recommend getting this. Press 1 Cash, and then you can join me in Instant Cash Solution as well, because it teaches you how to place your ads to get them out there, and then put your phone number, your Press 1 Cash phone number, on your ads. Okay, and that will get you your leads, which will eventually convert to sales. Okay, go to easymobilepay.com. All right. Okay, so guys, this is definitely a system you want to have in your arsenal. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link below. You can go to the website. You'll go to the website. You can see my phone number. Dial it. Just test it out for yourself. See how simple it is, how it works. All you're going to do, really, when you think about it, is share a phone number. Okay? So there's different ways to do this, okay, to get this out there, okay, to the masses. So you can share your number, place ads, guys. Place ads. Put your phone number on the ads. You know, we got folks doing postcards. I heard a gentleman said he's doing postcards for it. That's a great way to do it. And you put your phone number on there. You can place ads. You can do solo ads. You can do text message marketing. You know, I use my SMS phone leads, and I placed, I put a text on there, and I put my phone number on there. This is Press 1 Cash. So lots of ways to just promote this number. I mean, you can't get any easier than sharing a number, okay? Share a number, okay? So, great opportunity. I'm going to put the link below for Press 1 Cash. If you have any questions about it, give me a call, guys. And with this one, you can receive your payments however you want them to be received, whether it's PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, whatever. Cash, Walmart to Walmart, whatever. So, this is universal and it's global. Okay? Alright, guys, so that's all I've got for you today, but definitely check me out. Go ahead, do me a favor, and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and do that now. And then like the video, and then also click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay? And that's all I've got. Alright, wishing you guys well. If you don't hear back from me for the holidays, I wish you happy holidays, guys, okay? Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. You guys have a blessed day.